How to replace roomstat. I've got this digital hit miser roomstat. My wife doesn't like it because it needs a bit of setting up. She asked for just a simple mechanical turn wheel roomstat. So the way how to change it is down on the bottom, there'll be two little lugs, and you put a screwdriver in there and prise it open. Okay, that's out. Then slacken off these two screws. Little turn, and there you go. You got your live, neutral, and then you go switch live, going back to the central heating system. There you go. Now I'm going to open the other box. So we got live, neutral, live, neutral, and then switch live. There. So I'm going to undo these wires, connect them onto this back plate, and obviously earth goes there. So I need two hands for that. One thing I forgot to mention is turn the power supply off to it. Once it's all connected, you got neutral, permanent live, switched live there. Put the power back on with two hooks and two screws with two slots underneath. So hooks on, push it down, and then engage these two screws. There you go. It works. Thank you for watching.